Hey y'all, so we're back with another meal delivery review. This time it's Factor. I forgot to tell you about those. Those are cards for free boxes. You can give them out to your friends. They were just on the top of there. There's an ice pack, of course. These ones are quite a bit bigger, but they work good too. A little flyer that just kind of tells about what Factor is and things like that. You can look up more information if you'd like. There's a card for a meat box if you want to subscribe to that. And then the meals. Now these are cooked, so all you have to do is put them in the microwave for like 2 minutes. It says the name on the side, and I also forgot to show you the back, which has all of the nutrition facts for each meal. So in this particular box, we only got 4 meals. There's 2 of us eating it, so that's only 2 days worth of meals. But Factor, because it's already pre-prepared and all you have to do is pop it in the microwave, it's a little bit more expensive than the other type of subscription boxes. Like I said, we've tried some multiple other ones, but there's all this insulation in here. It keeps it really fresh and frozen. But if you like, subscribe, keep watching. I'm going to keep reviewing these things if y'all want to ever try them. Thank you.